Welcome back everyone. In this video I am going to be talking about another common input. We call it as OPA, that is Organizational Process Assets. What exactly are OPAs? Anytime you hear this term, I want you to think about templates. That's the easiest way to remember it. OPAs are things provided by the business to help progress your projects. The most common OPA is a template, but they can also include software tools or previous lessons learned. Essentially, these are resources that the company provides when you start a project. For example, if you want to develop a project charter, would a template be helpful to you? If I say, "Hey Bob, can you make your project charter?" and you say, "Well, I am not sure how to do." And I respond, "Here is the template, fill it out." That would be pretty helpful, right? Templates and similar resources are used as inputs and are common inputs in project management. OPAs are assets that organization possesses. These include knowledge and information, that is policies, procedures, document, and knowledge bases. Templates. The most common type of OPA. Templates for project charter, risk register, issue log, etc. Software tools. Tools provided by organization to assist in project management. Historical information. Lessons learned and data from previous projects. Guidelines and procedures. Steps for project closure, risk management, change management, and defect handling. OPAs are generally kept in central repository, such as Microsoft SharePoint site, so they can be used whenever required. They affect all aspects of a project and are one of the most common inputs in many processes. The project team updates and adds to the OPA throughout the project. For example, if you create a new risk register template during the project, you can add it to the organization's repository for future use. Some examples of OPAs may include templates for project charter, project plans, risk register, issue logs, etc. Software tools, tools like Microsoft Project, historical information, lessons learned from previous projects. Guidelines and procedure for project closure, risk management, change management, and defect handling. Think back to previous projects you have worked on. Your company might have provided you with various OPAs, like templates for project charter or project plans, software tools and guidelines for closing projects or managing risk. These OPAs affect almost all of the 49 processes in project management. Understanding OPAs is crucial for effective project management. They provide the necessary resources and guidelines to help you manage your project successfully. By using and updating OPAs, you contribute to the continuous improvement of project management practices within your organization.